Today, I'm gonna tell y'all how to fix y'all transmission permanently. So you don't keep on going through and rebuilding it on your Tahoe. My bad. Got to say Tahoe. Yeah. Changing it. See, look, I gotta go take all this. That little cash change machine so I can get some money back to get my lift put. I gotta get that put back together. Yeah. Clutch is over there. And I would show y'all the wheels, but that's for another video. But here go the lift that's going on the Tahoe. Here go the doors. I'm gonna get them done. And there go a quick glimpse of the speakers. I can't show you exactly which one y'all is because the pros, they know what the speakers look like. They know exactly which ones they are. But yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all how to fix this Tahoe transmission though. Cause, you know, I done been messing with Tahoes for a long time. Though, let's get it. Forgot my tools inside the truck. I know it's wet over here. It been snowing. But yeah, here we go. Here go the Tahoe. Finally got it back. Let me see if I can pop this hood. I'm gonna explain everything to you. Hold on. Hopefully don't know why to get on my phone. And it still got wet. But look, you're gonna need a True Cool radiator cooler. Delete that one, you don't need that one no more. I should have put this one back in the brackets for it, but I didn't. And don't run the lines back through your old radiator if you're already done messed up your transmission. What I had to do is go get a 480 put in, as you seen in the last video. Here's the wire. It comes in a little kit. I think I posted that in the last video too. And then you gotta go get your computer reprogrammed to run a 480. What else you need? You need a new flex plate. Dang, my shit got wet. Tragic. I ain't want to get on this wet ground. So hold on, y'all. Let me back this thing up so I can show you up under there. Okay. Sheesh. So the battery went dead when I tried to back it up, so I had to go get it, jump it. That didn't work. I mean, it did work, but after I jumped it, I pulled it off the ramps, and the ramps broke. So they ain't no good no more. So then I had to sweep up under the car because I don't want to be laying in all the dirt that I got up under there. But back to what I was saying. The stuff you need to fix your Tahoe transmission. Oh man, look how nasty it is. I definitely ain't want to lay in this, but I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, still ain't happy with it, but we go slide up under here. So listen, people, you're gonna have to get a 4L80 transmission to fix your Tahoe problem. Along with the problems, let's see. Oh, man. You're gonna have to get some new oil cooler lines. Let's see if you can see that one back there. I don't think you can. Let's see. There we go. But yeah, when you get a 4L80 and swap it in here for a 4L60, you're gonna need new lines. That's what I'm working on now. I gotta go to O'Reilly's right here in a second to pick up the other one. it'll be best if you want to save time but spending some money to go ahead and get some braided lines, and then make your job a whole lot easier than trying to fight to get these in and over here on these clips. And let's see what else. You're gonna need a flex plate. You're gonna need that wire that I told you about that runs from your computer after you get it flashed all the way back to the let's see, the speed sensor. I don't know if you can see it, but you got 2 speed sensors on the 480. And you're gonna need a new harness that goes from your old harness that plugs right into the new transmission. And I think in the first video I made, it's all in there, so you can see what kit that you need for that. And I got a bad oil leak, a real bad oil leak. I gotta fix that. But yeah, so this is the only thing giving me a problem right now is finding them lines. I just got it looped back to each other for right now, just so I could have got it up under the carport. Let's see, did I miss anything? I think that's about it. And I gotta zip tie that up so it ain't on the pipe. Oh, here go a picture or video of what you're gonna have to do to your cross member to get it to fit in here, because the 480 is a lot longer, so you're gonna have to get it cut and weld. But I think they sell one that's already made, but luckily I knew somebody that could fabricate me one. Alright, oh yeah, you're gonna need new yokes too for your dry shaft. I had mine, didn't have to get cut, but I don't know if yours will, so I can't say if it will or will not. But yeah, here go the new yokes I got put in the dry shaft. Let's see, what else? Am I missing anything? And, oh yeah, let me tell you this. To see if your line pressure will hold, put your car in reverse. And I think that give you the most pressure backing up before you go out, and just drive it around after you make your lines. If you don't get the braided lines, and do it this way, because I think it make 300 psi and it can blow this off. It can blow a line off with no problem. That's what 480 problems is already. They hold up a lot of pressure. I think that's about it though for now. Let's knock it over. But yeah, there we go. I think that's everything. And like I said, do not run it back through this one. This all the old lines that came out the transmission. I mean, not the transmission, but the radiator and the transmission, I do guess. Do not run it back through there if you messed up the 4L60 in the beginning, because all you're gonna do is get trash back in there, and it'll stay cooler if you just loop it around through that. But yeah, let me run the old Raleighs, and I'm gonna tell y'all how it go. Well, I guess I can give y'all a walk around of what I'm doing. Turn off the flashlight. Yeah, here's the Tahoe. For the other ones who haven't seen it yet, but it's already a video of it. It's messed up, put it like that. Interior shot. I'm starting to take out all the plastics. I'm gonna probably take out all the carpet. Oh, for it do got the sunroof. Here go the back interior where I just started at. Almost slipped. Yeah, I got it almost all the way out back here, because you know I'm gonna do the laminate wood in the back of here. So now all I gotta do is finish taking this up and get ready for some laminate wood, and I'm probably dyno mat most of it, so I ain't gotta hear no rattling, because I am putting speakers in the back of here, but I ain't gonna tell you which ones yet. So see you in the next video to tell you what's going on.